So today I will be revamping my counter, my vanity, whichever you want to call it. I will be using, it's kind of bent because it was in my dresser drawer. I will be using the Easy Liner, and this is the adhesive surfaces, and it's removable. Everything that you need when you want to revamp this. So the lighting's gonna be a little off because there's no lighting above my bathtub. It's just lighting here. So we're going to take this up first, and then okay, I'm gonna explain what I'm gonna do, and then I'm just gonna do it so that I won't have to keep stopping and going with the video. So I will be taking this up, then I will be placing this on using my scissors to cut this out. If you want to do something like this, have patience. I have patience, and I normally don't have patience, but I did have patience with this because I knew this is going to be a little more challenging. But I'm going to get this up. I'm going to continue to remove everything. I thought I removed everything off the counter, but I'm going to start taking this up, and then you guys are just going to see this whole transformation. I don't want to continue to talk about it. I just want to do it. So we're going to get this started, and then I will get back with you guys once I am halfway finished or almost finished. So I didn't realize how difficult this would be. So to be honest, what I might end up doing, which I feel like I can't be the only one that would do this, but because I don't look up no videos. I didn't look up any videos on how to get this off. I just was just like, hey, I'm gonna wake up today. So I'm just gonna use my Myers. I'm gonna spray this down, clean it off very good, and then wipe it, because I don't know about y'all, but I don't have all day to do this, and this is like an all-day project. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna wipe it down, and then we're just gonna put on another layer of paper. Please do not feel bamboozled by watching this video, because my thumbnail is they still gonna come out nice, but y'all, I didn't think it was gonna be that what's the word, time consuming. I really did. I'm going to take some Kaboom and just go around. Oh, I hate when it gets stuck to your feet. So yes, we're going to let that sit let it turn white, wipe it clean. But first, I'm just, because I want this to just go by fast, I'm going to take this out. This shouldn't be a long process or hard process. It's just like what you learn in kindergarten. Cut. I mean, it's more precise than just cutting and doing whatever, but you just need patience. Patience is key. I'm gonna wipe that out and everything, but I just want to show you exactly what it is that you will do. So for me, and what I might try this time, I didn't do this last time, but I might try it this time, because going across, let me see if you guys can see what I'm seeing. Yeah, you're good. Okay, so going from this side to the other side is a little more difficult because you have to cut a hole. This time, I'm gonna cut it like this. So I'm gonna start about like right there. Therefore, I'm only cutting out this area. When you see it, you'll understand it. So I'm gonna do one here. I'm gonna do one on this side, and then whatever else is left, we'll just finesse it. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna clean this out, and then we're gonna get straight to it, you guys. I used this in my tub, and I really liked it. So we're gonna use this on, and I have like a little can left. I'm just gonna open it. I have a little can. You have to shake it, shake well to mix all the white in, because now my sink is like a, here you go. This is like a fail. So now that that is done, I'm gonna take this and my Myers. Make sure it's still recording. Take this and my Myers, put it together, and just wipe it, because that's not staying that color. And you want to wipe it before, of course, it becomes permanent. And then you want to let that sit for hours, okay, before you turn on your water. I don't really care about the thing and down in the, I don't care for that to be a certain color. I mean, if you do, which I might just a little bit. So inside of here, I got some on there. I'm just gonna wipe that off and then get into the placement of everything. Okay, so that is done. Now we are officially ready to put this stuff down. I'm going to need a bath and everything else when I am done with this because I feel icky. So you will need the scissors, of course, which I didn't know I had put back in here, but I did. So I'm going to take the paper and take it up to the edge because I'm not doing the top. The top is fine. I'm going to take it up to the edge and then pull this down just because I'd rather have more than less, and then cut it right here. Number one, I do these videos for people that are like me that don't do these things very often, so it's not a professional job, or it's not a, it's not professionally done. But yeah, I'm just a regular girl wanting her vanity to be marble. But I'm gonna put this on. Like I said in the video, I would try to slow it down, but for time purposes, I'm going to speed this part up. I'm going to do this side, and then we'll work on the nicks and everything, nicks and crannies. So I am done now. I am about to put everything back on the counter. I'm actually going to take a picture first and then put everything back on the counter. So I'm officially done. I am now going to put everything back on the counter, and then that will be the end of this video. So if I am not back on, please like, comment, and subscribe. Please comment videos that you want to see. Right now I'm just doing videos that are interesting to me, and videos that I'm going to want to watch. As somebody that watches YouTube a lot, I do see a lot of these videos, and it's very interesting to see how these people just do anything that they want in their house without help. So I'm just like, let me see what I can do. So yes, these videos are informational, of course, and just for entertainment, y'all. This did not come out, it didn't start off how I wanted it to start off, but it didn't end bad. It's literally just a job on top of a job, and like the little things that I do makes it look just brand new. So like I said, comment, like, and subscribe. I'm trying to think of what else to say. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat. Snapchat is McCain-Tanisha32. Instagram, hairandnails.nisha. You guys, I would really love for you to follow me on Instagram. I post stuff, but I want to post stuff knowing that people are going to watch, are going to interact with me on social media. So yes, and I need to clean my mirror while we're at it, because why? Why not? So you guys are finna, the next part is gonna be me putting everything back up, cleaning off this mirror and everything like that. So stay tuned, and I will catch you guys in my next video, which should be uploaded. This video should upload today. Like today, what is today? Today is Friday, September 4th. Today is the 4th. 2020. So this video we posted today, and hopefully I can have another video. My phone's been acting up, or not my phone, iMovie's been acting up, but we're gonna get these videos out because today was literally like my only day off of work, so I'm taking advantage of it, highly taking advantage of it. So yeah, next video, or next part of this video will be me putting everything back on my counter, cleaning up. So this is like a do-it-yourself vanity plus cleaning my bathroom. Maybe in the end I'll show like a little video of what my bathroom looks like, just because I don't know, I think that's a thing. Maybe my bathroom's not spectacular or anything, I just feel as if maybe someone will like my bathroom. But yes. Oh, we're gonna do a shout out. No, we can't. Yeah, we can. No, we can't. Okay, scratch that off. So yes, next video, next segment is gonna be, yeah, let's just get to it. I'm just talking too much.